CO2 welding robot. CO2 welding robot is mainly consisted of 6-axis robot. CO2 welding machine, jig sets, and controlling system. This equipment is specially designed for programming reinforced welding to bracket of shock absorber, lay workpiece shock absorber into the mold fixtures and let clamping pneumatic cylinder fix the workpiece. Welding is performed by CO2 welding robot. Adoption of high-speed and high-rigidity 6-axis robot working with CO2 welding machine to give high-accurate welding angle and reduce welding wear-out, giving 0 defective finished products and higher product pass rate. Design left and right 2 sets of fixture molds working with programmable welding robot. 1 set of workpiece under processing and another set for mold changing will reduce idle time to enhance productivity. Mold change adopts easy, lightweight, and quickly mold changing design. Standard mold change working with preset perimeters in NC controller. The next production process will be carried out swiftly. Welding gun correct and programs teach simply. Controlling box provide abundant welding conditions for on-time consultations. Module design of robot and controller to offer good mechanical reliability. Complete systematic layout makes high profitability possible. Hazardous welding light beams and residuals preventing oily smoke collecting. Emergency stop for hydraulic, pneumatic, and electrical devices, etc. Fully consider about smooth operation and industrial safety. Compact outlook with neatly arranged pipeworks, and each part is clearly marked for easy service and in line with 5S requirements to boost your company's business image. Haothing has nearly 30 years experience of full automatic and semi-automatic special purpose equipments making. High quality and good after service upon which you can rely on.